I'm curious to understand what we can learn from elite sports teams that is adaptable and transferable into the elite sales process. And if you're selling a product or service that has a lot at stake for not only you, but also for your client, then we need to adapt some elite skills that we can transfer from the sports elite teams. And there's three things that I think we can implement. The first one is always upgrading your skills. Now, what you might be surprised is that one of the highest skills you can have in a salesperson process is the ability to be able to ask better quality questions. Now, you need to be better at asking questions than answering questions. The second thing is to have a game plan or a structure that with purpose that's taken you to what your end result is to be able to help your prospect achieve what their goals are as well. So you need to have a game plan and structure. More about that in a moment. And then the third thing is that you need to consistently evolve yourself to become the person that can implement the skills and the game plan on a consistent basis to be able to get the results that you're looking for. So if you are selling a high stakes product or service, then it'll be worthwhile paying attention to the elite sporting teams to see what can we adapt and bring into our sales process to give us the edge that we're looking for. Now today I just want to go a little bit deeper on the game plan and how the game plan needs to be adaptable to whoever you are in front of or your prospect. And in using the team analogy is what's your opposition delivering you that you need to adapt your game plan to that. And what I can promise you is that every prospect that you face will be thinking differently. They'll have a different value priority that's important to them, and their situation and how they respond is going to be based on their situation and the circumstances they find themselves in. And you need to be adaptable to that and then being able to understand at a very basic level how to profile through asking curious questions. Now, the good news is that human behavior is predictable when you know what you're looking for. So if this resonates with you and you'd like to up your game plan, just reach out to me in a DM and put in the word game plan and we can connect and I can give you some insights on how you can up your game plan to be able to get consistent results on a regular basis. Good luck with all your sales opportunities coming up.